Assalamualaikum and greetings to Sekamarul Zaman. My name is Nur Kuratul Ain and I will presenting together with my group members about the future of urban transportation in Malaysia. I will begin with the first part, which is the movement of people. Train with high speed. High-speed rail (HR) is a type of rail transportation that travels at a much faster speed than traditional rail traffic, thanks to an integrated system of specialized rolling stock and dedicated tracks. While there is no universal standard, lines designed to handle speeds of more than 250 km 155 mph and update lines capable of more than 200 km are commonly termed high speed. For example, Shanghai train maglev became a faster train in China. High-speed trains are usually operated on continuous well rail tracks on a grade separated right-of-way with a huge turning radius in nations like Japan, Spain, or India, which are basically the only standard gauge mainline railways in such countries.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is Nurul Nadira speaking, and I will continue on Shanghai maglev train. With maglev technology, a vehicle travels along a guideway using magnets to create both lift and propulsion. This process reduces friction and allowing higher speeds. The Shanghai maglev train, also known as the Transrapid, is the fastest commercial train in the world with top secret of 430 km per hour. The next one is hoverbike. This concept is comparable to an AFV in that it uses a VTOL platform. However, instead of being unmanned, a human operator rides and controls the hoverbike. The form factor resembles a common motorbike with 4 rotors, quadcopter capable of carrying one person. Again, the aim is to provide a method of mobility that alleviates street traffic for short distance travel.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Hana binti Sulaiman. I will continue self-driving taxi. Autonomous cars are on the cusp of widespread deployment, although largely still constrained to testing environments and pilot projects. They are on roads today and are active in cities like Vegas, where Lyft offers autonomous rides for a fare. Using these futuristic taxis communicate with each other with smart infrastructure and load with customers and gather mass amounts of data to drive further efficiency while they move around smart city. As you can see, this picture is one of the examples of self-driving taxi.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. This is Nur Ashikin speaking, and I would like to continue this presentation on movement of goods or product in the year of 2050 in Malaysia. In the year of 2050, Malaysia will have a delivery system that can safely deliver things to customers in 20 minutes or less using drones, which is autonomous aerial vehicles. A drone is an unmanned aircraft. Drones are more formally known as unmanned aerial vehicles, which is UAVs or unmanned aircraft system. Essentially, a drone is a flying robot that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously using software-controlled flight plans in its embedded systems that work in conjunction with onboard sensors and a global positioning system, which is GPS. UAVs were most often associated with the military. They were initially used for anti-aircraft target practice, intelligence gathering, and more controversially as a weapon platforms. Drones are now also used in a range of civilian roles. You guys must wondering how do drones work, right? Drones have two basic functions, which is fly mode and navigation. To fly them, drones must have a power source such as battery or fuel. They also have rotors, propellers, and a frame. The frame of a drone is typically made of lightweight, composite material to reduce weight and increase maneuverability. Drones require a controller which lets the operator use remote controls to launch, navigate, and land the aircraft.
Next, my name is Nur Azrina binti Jafri. I will explain about what types of drones are available. There are two main types of drone platform. First, rotor, second, fixed wing. The first one is rotor, including single rotor and multi-rotor, such as tricopters, quadcopters, hexacopters, and octocopters. Second, fixed wing, which include the hybrid vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) drones that don't require runways. History of drones. Drones go back to 1849 Italy. When Venice was fighting for its independence from Austria, Austrian soldiers attacked Venice with hot air, hydrogen or helium-filled balloons equipped with bombs. The first pilotless radio-controlled aircraft was used in World War I. In 1918, the U.S. Army developed the experimental Catching Bug, an unmanned flying bomb aircraft, which was never used in combat. The first generally used drone appeared in 1935 as a full-size retooling of the de Havilland DH-82B Queen Bee biplane. It was fitted with a radio and servo mechanism operate control in the back seat. The plane could be conventionally piloted from the front seat, but generally it flew unmanned for artillery gunners in training to shoot. The term drone dates to this initial use, a play on the Queen Bee nomenclature.